Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in for another silent soap making video. I know the people have spoken and you guys do not like the no talking soap making videos, and I've learned my lesson and I apologize, but I thought silent videos would be better than no videos. In the previous release, I had updated you guys and at least warned you. I mentioned it's going to save us time in October. Bradley and I have bought a house, and between moving and packing and unpacking and painting and cleaning and preparing for the baby, it really has helped to do a few silent videos just for October. I promise in November everything will be back to normal. When you see this, I am due, or I have given birth, one or the other. Hopefully sooner rather than later. This little dude will be here, and that is currently where I am. And I'm filming in the new Gypsyfae Creations soap studio, and it's pretty bare bones right now. Like, it needs a lot of work and installation, and it'll be a project for Bradley and I to be working on, probably more than Bradley because I have no idea what I'm doing, and I doubt I will be in any shape or form to be working on anything with a newborn. But that is also something else that needs to be done. So yes, today's soap making video is silent. It is based off of a soap I did last year. I believe it was called Berries and Briarwood, and it was one of my favorite soaps that I did last year. This one, also one of my favorite soaps that I've done this year. The colors, I just fell in love with this design. And top of the soap, I did like this gold mica and oil drizzle inside the soap batter. Turned out stunning. It is available in the Etsy shop today because, well, there's a shop update today. I'm sure you know that. It is a very small shop update. There are only 3 new bars in the shop, as well as some restocks. So you'll find the cranberry orange cupcakes, the corner cafe, and then today's, which is going to be called Twigs and Berries. Restocks, if you're a fan of any of my Harry Potter inspired soaps, I put a few of those in the shop, as well as the classic Clean Bee. So go check out the Etsy shop, because after this release, I am closing the shop down for a few weeks until Bradley and I don't know, we get adjusted to being new parents and I am back on my feet and things can somewhat go back to normal. I also put the favors. I did a baby shower favor video of just me packaging the nursery tour. I am going to put those favors in the shop because I made so many of them. I made more than I needed, and I wanted to at least give you guys the opportunity to buy them at a regular priced bar, which all proceeds will go towards the baby's like diaper or wipes or some sort of gift that when you buy it is what the money's going to go towards. So I just want to thank everyone for your support and your well wishes. And I hope you enjoy this soap. Not so much the video because it's silent, but I hope you enjoy the soap making. Again, thank you all for everything. Let's get to making some soap.